our society, we are often pushed to spend excessively, to pursue an elusive idea of success and measure achievement through financial gains. For most people, it's common to get caught up in money mistakes because they are not conscious about their spending habits. However, there are some easy ways to avoid financial pitfalls that should be taught to everyone. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover 7 money mistakes they should teach in school. Pursuing a dead-end career. Choosing to remain in a dead-end job without any opportunities for growth, increased earnings, or job satisfaction is a financial mistake. While not everyone will adore their job at all times, sometimes we may need to accept a job as a temporary stepping stone or out of necessity. It is essential to create a strategy for moving towards a more favorable career opportunity. This includes obtaining the required skills and qualifications to secure a position that better suits your interests. Ideally, initiate this process before feeling the need to leave your current job, ensuring you are fully prepared for the next phase when the opportunity arises. By having a clear vision of where you want to be in your career and setting achievable goals, you can work towards creating a positive and rewarding professional life. Mindless spending. In today's world, it's easy to fall into the trap of overspending on unnecessary items, and the boundary between what we truly need and what we merely want is becoming increasingly blurry. The rise of information and social media has played a role in this phenomenon, encouraging us to seek instant gratification and represent a certain lifestyle. As a result, many people find themselves wasting both time and money on excessive pleasures, recreational activities, and the maintenance of a specific image. The allure of luxury items like designer clothing, jewelry, high-end gadgets, and frequent dining out can be hard to resist. The next time you find yourself reaching for your wallet to buy the latest trendy item, take a moment to reflect. Do I genuinely need this? Chances are you don't, and in the long run, you will be better off saving that money instead. Buying stuff that loses value. Gadgets might be the primary example of items that rapidly lose their value, but there are numerous others as well. Many individuals resort to loans or credit cards to purchase items like smartphones, big screen TVs, tablets, laptops, and more. While these gadgets may serve practical purposes and be essential in certain situations, they also have a short shelf life and become outdated in months. There's an inherent desire for a perceived status that accompanies owning the latest and most luxurious items. However, this mindset can prove to be exceedingly costly in the long run. The desire of having the newest and greatest possessions can lead to a continuous cycle of spending on items that lose value quickly, ultimately draining your finances. Borrowing money. Credit cards have become an essential aspect of modern life, offering the added advantage of boosting your credit score, which can increase your chances of obtaining crucial loans from banks or car financing. However, in recent times, credit cards are increasingly being utilized for day-to-day expenses, including fuel, groceries, and various other ordinary items that should ideally fit within your monthly budget. The issue arises from the fact that credit card companies impose huge interest rates for the convenience of purchasing things without immediate payment. This can lead to a dangerous cycle where you end up spending beyond your means, relying on credit to cover expenses, and eventually accumulating more debt than you can comfortably manage. Monthly payments. Payment plans for essential items and bills can provide significant financial relief, but relying on them for everything can be financially burdensome. Monthly fees for convenient services like music or movie streaming may seem hassle-free, but they accumulate quickly. Netflix or Spotify often come to mind as common contributors, but there are other expenses to consider, such as unused gym memberships, gaming subscriptions, or streaming services. Automatic payments for these services can be especially sneaky because they create a continuous drain on your finances without granting you tangible ownership of anything. To better manage your expenses, consider opting for manual payments for services that you genuinely use and enjoy. Taking control of your payments can significantly benefit your bank account in the long run. Lack of financial plans. Achieving financial independence goes beyond mere planning and saving. It involves seeking out lucrative investment opportunities to generate additional income streams. By implementing smart financial planning, you can accumulate a surplus of funds that can then be wisely invested. There are several promising investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, real estate ventures, or even starting your own business. When you have a substantial amount set aside for investments, you can take advantage of the compound factor, which allows your investments to grow significantly over time. However, if you consistently find yourself facing financial constraints and your expenses outweigh your income, it becomes vital to gain control over your costs. Striving to spend less than you earn and saving the excess is essential to pave the way for financial stability. Achieving financial independence is a journey that requires discipline, patience, and a commitment to your financial goals. By combining saving habits with strategic investments, you can build a strong financial plan and gain the freedom to live life on your own terms. Buying a brand new car. Many people find themselves caught in the cycle of buying a new car, only to later regret their decision for various reasons. Financial struggles are often a major factor when it comes to buying a new vehicle. The value of a new car decreases rapidly, and as soon as you drive it off the dealership lot, its worth diminishes significantly. On top of that, there are additional costs to consider, such as registration, insurance, dealer fees, and ongoing maintenance, all of which add up in addition to the high monthly payments. A used car can often be just as reliable and functional as a new one, while costing significantly less. You can find great deals on pre-owned vehicles that are still in excellent condition, allowing you to save a substantial amount of money. Looking for a used car or sticking with an older vehicle even after it's fully paid off may not offer the same excitement, but it can prove to be a wise financial choice. Your wallet will undoubtedly appreciate the savings and reduced financial strain that comes with it. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.